Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Google Alerts and show you how to set them up. So Google Alert basically looks for a key phrase, and anytime it finds that, anytime new article or image or anything is published on Google, you'll get an email about it. So in this instance, you can see I have a keyword real estate chatbot, and you can see I got an email 34 minutes ago saying, hey, it came out, somebody published something talking about real estate chatbots. And here's the article or the blog post or the video or whatever it may be. Here's where you can go learn more. So what this is good for is, say, your name, your company name, things you're interested in, stock tickers, etc. So I always like to know things in real time. So this is the best way to do it. So I'll go over here to the next tab, and if you do a quick Google for Google Alerts, it's going to take you to google.com/alerts. You do need a Google account to set it up, but once you are logged in, it's super easy to set up a Google alert. So today we're going to do BFRI stock, and you can see it's going to pull like the most recent ones, just like that, and all we got to do is hit create alert. But before I do that, I'm going to do show options. You can set how often it sends you something. You can also pick a specific source. If you only want as new YouTube videos come out, you can pick video. If you only want news, etc., I want it all. You want the language, you want the region, and all results. And there you go, you just hit create alert. Easy peasy. So you can do that with each and every single term that you have. So you can see I have Book Me Solid because that's the name of my company. I have Chris Harden. I have ManyChat Pro because that's the software tool that we use. I have Real Estate Chatbot because that's a key phrase. It's similar to Messenger Marketing, which actually I'll add that. Messenger Marketing. Real Estate Messenger Marketing. There we go. Just to show you how easy it is to add other keywords. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and please give me feedback in the comments. What other kind of videos can I help you with?